Hello everyone, welcome to the military channel. Let's just talk about it. The KF-21 Boramae fighter jet successfully flew for the first time for 30 minutes, carrying 4 Meteor missiles, ahead of the previously determined schedule, namely July 22, 2022. Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) Industries on Tuesday, July 19 yesterday has carried out a sacred stage in the development of a 4.5 generation fighter jet prototype, where the KF-21 Boramae fighter jet successfully made its maiden flight, and listed South Korea as the 8th country in the world that has developed a supersonic fighter jet. Prior to the inaugural flight test, KAI had carried out a successful ground-based engine thrust test last June, then proceeded to a taxiing test in early July 2022. In its maiden test flight, the KF-21 Boramae was manned by Major Junhyun On of the Air Force Test and Evaluation Unit. The plane took off from an Air Force base near the KAI factory in Sacheon, South Gyeongsang Province. At 3:40 p.m. the KF-21 Boramae flew at a speed of 400 km/h for approximately 30 minutes to check basic functions on the aircraft's systems, and finally the aircraft landed safely at 16:13 local time. During the maiden flight, the KF-21 Boramae fighter jet was seen carrying 4 Meteor air-to-air missiles mounted on the central fuselage. KAI plans to conduct around 2,000 test flights with 6 prototypes until June 2026, followed by mass production in the same year. So far, the South Korean Air Force is considering acquiring 120 KF-21 fighter jets by 2032. According to the timeline, the KF-21 Boramae will be verified as a full combat potential asset by the end of 2023, and additional armament tests for the KF-21 Block 2 will be carried out in 2026. 40 KF-21 Block 1 units are expected to perform air-to-air combat mode, while the 80 KF-21 Block 2s to be deployed by 2028 are intended to engage in air-to-surface combat mode. The KF-21 Boramae fighter jet is expected to be armed with the South Korean-developed ALCM, Air-Launched Cruise Missile, and 10 other air-to-ground weapons, including the Meteor air-to-air missile for the first time in Asia. The cruise missiles will provide the fighter aircraft with long-range precision strike capabilities, beyond enemy air defense or interception systems. The Korean military also plans to deploy hypersonic missiles, which are currently being developed for the KF-21. With this the video ends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.